looking in the mirror. Red bottoms on my feet, Bloody Mary on my
it's Veona and welcome back to my channel. So in today's Vlogtober video, we are going to decorate. I've already kind of decorated, but I need to like spruce some things up, add some pieces, and I want to show y'all what's like new in my house for fall. I've been waiting, it's spooky season, let's get to it. So on top of just like plugins for my house, I love candles. So it's one particular candle I've been on a hunt for, and I found it. I went to like a TJ Maxx and a Marshalls to look for it, and it is a pumpkin bourbon candle. So let's light it because I found one this season, and I only was able to find a smaller one, but this, when I tell you, can light up a room. I have the fan on, so I'm not gonna light it, but this A1 Day One, it's by the Sensational brand. It has a wooden wick, highly recommend, and it's always on sale. This was like $6, so if you want your house to smell like a little bit of pumpkin but not OD, I definitely recommend that. Another favorite scent of mine that I love to get is like a vanilla-y type of pumpkin. So I got this vanilla pumpkin candle, which I am gonna light this one. It smells so good, and it's like bigger. I got this one from Marshalls, it was $15. And this one's just sitting on my dining room table. I'm going into my bedroom, which I always like to keep candles on both of my nightstands that are in my bedroom. So I found these really cute and they smell really good pumpkin candles from Target. So this is the same vanilla pumpkin, but these ones are a little stronger and it's like in a pumpkin shape. Look how cute this is. So I just have candle holders that I have them sitting in. Then what is fall without a cozy couch? I feel like your couch being cozy just like puts fall into full effect, so you can watch your favorite shows, your movies, everything like that. So this year I wanted to incorporate just a little bit of like pumpkins, some texture, kind of repurposing a lot of the things that I already have too, as well as kind of tying in my rug with the decor, because I just got this brand new rug for my living room. So I just wanted my area to kind of just still feel really cozy. So let's kind of clean up and style the couch a little bit so you guys can see what the vibes are for just like, you know, fall. So I do have these two like green throw pillows that I did have pillowcases on them that had like plaid, but I feel like the plaid is going to clash with my rug. Let's see. So these are the two pillowcases, and like I said, I think it's just, I just feel like it's going to clash with my rug, but that's what these green pillows were in. So I think I might skip out and then just tuck these away for like when the fall season is over. Like for Christmas, this would be perfect because of the green. But for right now, I don't know if I want to incorporate it into my living room. I think I like just like the orange, the whites, and the browns, and how that looks. Give an overview on the things on the couch. So these pillows are 24 by 24. They are the pillows that come with the couch. What I did was just buy new pillow covers. This is a hack for anybody that's like redecorating or always want to do things differently, holidays, whatever. Instead of buying pillows because they're so expensive, just buy pillow covers. Perfect. So it's like this like brownish, it looks orange on camera, but it's like a burnt orange brownish leather. And like I said, I wanted to add texture. I have this throw blanket that is so soft, and because it matches my rug, it's something that can just stay. I got this from Target. This is from last year. I'm not really sure. I've had it for a couple years now where I got it from, but it just says apple picking, cozy evenings, pumpkin pie, falling leaves, spice cider, warm fires, happy harvest. So I just threw her in the corner. And then these are like my favorite pumpkin pillows. I got those a couple years ago too. I have a brown one and I have a white one. I have another pillow, And then another throw blanket, because you can never have too many blankets. It has pumpkins on the couch. And this is my couch setup. Once the couch is like nice and cozy, I feel like the kitchen is the next best place that you just have to make cozy as well. So I went to Marshall, is it Home Goods? It was either Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, one of the families.
What I don't want to know.
And I found these really cute like towels for the kitchen, and it has like the pumpkins on it. It's orange and cream, like still keeping the same aesthetic, literally just popping pumpkins in here. So my whole goal was to make my house feel very fall and not so Halloween-y, so that way it can just carry into November. I don't have to take stuff down or anything like that. On top of that, I'm a coaster girl because we gotta have coasters in the house. I found these really cute gold pumpkin coasters that I need to open, and I'm just gonna put those on my dining room table and move the marble ones that I have to the dining table. So do like a little flip-flop. So with the towels, I like to put them on my stove. Right now, I just have my current tan kitchen towel, and then I have this towel from last year that says, "You are the pumpkin to my spice." So I'm just gonna take those off. The one that says "You're the pumpkin to my spice," I'll probably keep it and just put it where my sink is, just like as a hand towel. And these are all for just like cutesy. So something in my kitchen that I definitely wanted to incorporate this fall was a cookbook. So I found this cookbook from Marshall's, I believe. And it was $14.99, so yes, Marshall's, and it's called Super Simple Half-Baked Harvest, and it has over 125 recipes of instant, overnight, meal prepped, and easy comfort foods. It has sweets, it has appetizers, it has just like a whole bunch of different fall foods that are fun. And I wanted to put this on display because one, I just feel like it just adds to the aesthetic of the house, but also I'm really trying to try new stuff in terms of my palette for the fall. So this cookbook is definitely going to help me like explore recipes and practice and just like, you know, keep whipping the pots. Another big thing that I got for the kitchen that I'm really excited about, because I've been wanting one for a very long time. Really excited about. Can we guess? Can we guess? Can we guess? Leave in the comments what you think it is. Something that's just like, if you're a cooker, you need it in your kitchen. You got it? Okay. It's heavy too. A Dutch oven. I've been wanting a Dutch oven for the longest, and honestly, I ain't want to pull the plug on it, but I was just like, I could do so many things. And like with me, like I said, like trying new foods and doing things, I really wanted a Dutch oven. So I went ahead and splurged and got one, because $50, $60 is just preposterous for a pot. But I feel like we're at that age. I don't want to admit it, but I feel like I'm at that age. Waited to kind of open it up, but it is the Dutch oven from the Mongolia collection at Target. It is a cast iron Dutch oven with an enamel finish, oven safe up to 500 degrees. So let's open it up. What she look like in the inside. I got the last one out of the Target that I was in, so I felt like it was meant to be. Like I said, it's so heavy. Oof. This is what the top looks like. And I got it in this like creamy color because that's really what I wanted to go with my aesthetic. Use and care. Before use, Fill the products with water and bring to a boil, then wipe dry. Any liquid oils or fats shall be covered, blah, 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 blah. So this is just like instructions on how to maintain it. So when I do use it, I'll go ahead and take a peek at this. But this is what it looks like inside. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. Oh, I don't think these have to stay on. I think this is just like the black pieces is for purchasing it. So got my Dutch oven, and this is something that I think I'm just gonna have live on my stove because look how freaking pretty it is. So let's put it on the stove and see. So in the art of like repurposing goods and things that I already have, I have a bag full of like fall stuff. So I do want to go through it and see like where else I can style little things and what I have that I can put around my house. So let me get the bag. These little storage bags from Amazon, if you don't know, get on it. They literally hold a lot of things and they're perfect. So in this, it just has all of my fall stuff. I have like my old pillowcases that were on there. Got some more pillowcases that I'm gonna put in there. I have a lot of like Halloween-y stuff. So like I have fake flowers. All this stuff I'm actually not gonna put up, but yeah, I'm not gonna put this up. Cinnamon, I'm sure they don't anymore. That I just have in here. More kitchen towelettes and things. This one's kind of like fadey from washing it. I have pumpkin carving things. I have a sign that says, ooh, ooh, ooh. It's upside down. It says thankful. So like around Thanksgiving time, I definitely put that out. I have like a turkey tree. But I also have these wickered pumpkins. I have like a set of them that I've had for a while too. And I'm thinking I can put them on my dining room table. I'm looking at the table right now. And I'm like, these would be cute to go on the table. So we'll just pull these out and have them in like different sizes, different colors. I think that would be perfect. So I just kind of styled the pumpkins with flowers in the middle because I always usually try to get like fresh flowers in here. These sunflowers on this last day, so I'm gonna replace that. But just kind of like put the little pumpkins around in the middle. So just give it a little bit of something, something. Fall body wash is also a necessity. So Native is the brand that I like to use, and they have a lot of good fall scents. So this Autumn Air and Amber is one that I'm excited to try. They also have this Honey Crisp and Cider. That just smells so freaking good. And then lastly, the Apple Butter and Strudel. Ugh, it just smells like a good like apple strudel, like it says. Okay, so then after a shower, using those products that I just told y'all with Native and everything like that, to end off a good fall night and a necessity, you need two things. So let me share them. One, you gotta have slips. You gotta have slips. These came from Target and they're so freaking soft and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And last but not least, you have to definitely put a fireplace on your TV if you don't have one in your home. Let me know what your favorite piece is down in the comment box. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. So, peace.